Hi there. I just wanted to go over how to see what you missed in class if you're absent for just one day or multiple days if it should be a quarantine situation. Hopefully, you are feeling up to being able to do work. And the first place that you want to check is to go to Google Classroom. Now, one thing you're going to be tempted to do is to just look on your Classroom screen pages and you'll see what's due, and you'll want to just click on these assignments and do them. When you do that, you miss out on all the instructions and the teach piece part. So I want to go back and remind you that when you're getting your looking at what was done in class, you want to always click on your class and click classwork. Everything is organized by day. So the first thing you'll do is you'll click on the daily agenda and warm-ups, because remember warm-ups, this instruction, it says when absent, what to do. You're going to scroll to the date you missed. You're going to read the agenda and complete your missed warm-up. Yes, you can't just write absent for that warm-up. And then you'll find the day and date in the Google Classroom to actually match any missed videos and complete the missed work. You can print handouts or you can pick them up in class when you return. But if you're out for an extended time, a lot of times there's digital versions of those. So let's just take a look at an example. So let's say you're out on the 10th. Okay, so as this loads, you would be able to scroll over here to September 10th, and you would be able to see what was turned in and what notes we took in class. So then when I go to September 10th in my classwork for that week, you would know what you were going to do. Also in this, I also have any teaching slides. So let's say on the 7th here, whenever I was explaining how to do our activity, I have some slides below that you can actually click on that would help you understand if you're confused. So remember, this is the agenda of what I post in class every day that you're used to seeing and being able to do that. So now we're going to head back over. So let's pretend we were out on the 10th again. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to look for Friday the 10th. And here's our electromagnetic spectrum notes. So you would be able to click on the PowerPoint and to actually do the notes. And it says to use the cutout and the notes to clue in your journal. And so that's what we did on that day when we did the electromagnetic spectrum notes. You will notice Wednesday, we didn't meet Thursday of this week for first period because we had map testing. So for whatever day, it will say the day of the week and the date, so you would be able to work on that stuff. And it's organized by weeks. Would be able to turn things in digitally. You could upload a screenshot to that if you're out for extended days, or just bring them in whenever you return. So I hope this is helpful in being able to stay caught up. Remember, you can always email. Make sure that you put your name and your class period in the subject line, and then you actually send me your message through your email to msprad@neisd.net. Thank you.